Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me a question via email. If there is a white object that is, especially for laser engravers, that is a RGB on top of a black area, will the white not allow the laser to engrave it? Even though there's totally black behind it, there's white covering it. And I knew it for a fact that it did it, but I went out this in the picture a little blurry, but this is that white star on a black object, and the laser can't see the black because it's underneath the white, I'm guessing. And just for grins to see how the star is not in the center, and I hit P. If you make it a 6-sided star and hit P, and then move it back to a 5-sided star, now the star is in the center. Now, this isn't probably how I would do it. I would do it with putting a outline around the star, putting no fill and an outline around the object, and now neither one of these have a fill. And then I would use the Smart Fill tool and specify RGB. I was just playing around with it and hit black and then fill that in with black. Now, for sure, that won't engrave because it's not there. So if we go to Object in Order and back a page, the white is there, but if we take away the fill, now it's transparent. So it definitely won't engrave. But a white object on top of a black object will not engrave, especially if it's an RGB. Now sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes some CMYK whites will engrave, depending on how your machine is set up and everything. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.